Namaskar, bondhura. Welcome back to Keno. Today we aren't just learning, we're playing. Amra Aj Kelbo Ekta English word puzzle game. Are you ready to test your brain? I will give you 3 clues. You have 10 seconds to guess the word in English. Let's see who gets 3 out of 3. First puzzle, listen carefully. I am a fruit. My color is the same as my name. I am full of vitamin C. Time's up, what is it? It's an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Great job, now level 2. This is an action word. Birds do this in the sky. Pilots do this with airplanes. It starts with the letter F. Did you get it? The answer is fly. F-L-Y Pakai Akashiori, and we fly in planes. Level 3 is the hardest. Let's see if you are a genius. I have a neck but no head. I wear a cap but have no hair. You use me to drink water. This was tricky. The answer is a bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E. It has a neck and a cap. How many did you get right? 1, 2, or 3? Comment Kori Nishi Janan. If you loved this puzzle, hit the like button and subscribe Kori. See you next video. Stay curious, Tata.